Alright, what's going on my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry. Welcome to my channel Buy the Dip. Alright guys, getting here with a little Sunday action. A little bit of good news, man. Got some really good news. I guess you guys was right, man. I was talking about these revenues for the internet. Internet gross revenues, what I was waiting for on the NewJersey.gov website. That is what I was waiting for. And when I was doing my videos Friday, it was weird because for the internet gross revenue, you could only pull up August of 2020. And you could not see September. But guess what? Guess what, guys? September is here, baby. That's right. September is here. And we're going to get into these juicy revenues, as you can see. But right now, we're looking at August. They made $27 million. Basically $27.65 million in August. Year to date, total internet gaming win is $209 million. So that is very impressive. And let's just get here to it. So here you can see, and this is what I wanted to see. I saw some people commenting saying that the numbers was up, but I like getting the factual numbers right from the NewJersey.gov website. And right here, Golden Nugget, Atlantic City, monthly internet gross revenue report for the month of September 2020. Yes, that's what we want to see, guys. And as you can see, total gross revenue, $26 million they made in the month of September. Now, here's the crazy thing, man. Here's the crazy thing. This is just New Jersey. That's the crazy thing. So yeah, this is just New Jersey only. They made $26 million for that month. Now, if we go here, year to date, total internet gaming win. So this is for 10 months. They made $235,270,000. That is impressive for one state. I mean, could you just imagine if we get Michigan and Pennsylvania in there? I mean, could you imagine that times 3 year to date? So, I mean, like if the other states would be like New Jersey, I mean, you're talking like $75 million a month in revenue. So that would be like, whoa. Oh, there's my box in the way. There we go. So as you can see here in September, 26 million in revenues. And if we go back here for August, it was 27.65 million in August. And then we got 26 million for September. So yeah, up to 235 million in revenues. And this here was signed. Right down here is the official. This is what you want to see. Has their websites and all that's in here. And Joanne McKenzie signed this on October the 8th. And she is the Director of Finance, Casino Controller. And that's her title and license number right there. So that's why I wanted to see it here, and I wanted to have it to where it said the monthly internet gross revenue report, because that is exactly what we wanted to see, guys. We just didn't want to, I don't know, I just wanted to see it more officially posted up there is what I wanted to see. But I have something cool for you as well. This is going to be cool. So I found this other website here, and it's called stocktwits.com. And you just type in what symbol that you actually want to like look up. So of course, what do I want to look up? LCA. And you can basically get live comments down below here. So you can actually chat with other fellow LCA people, whether they're against it or for it, or I should say bullish and bearish on the stock. Let me get this box. Yeah, that's perfect right there. So yeah, let's get through and read some of these comments, man. We got some time. So here's a good one here. Pablo commented 37 minutes ago and said, money sign LCA. I mean, it feels good to know this is headed to $30 minimum. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I don't have an account. But anyway, yeah, so he thinks it's going to $30 minimum. He has the praying with the money sign. Pablo, I hope you're right as well, man. That'd be sweet. And here's Claudio. Says, LCA, hi all. Here's my first post. And also my chart analysis for LCA based on last movement in the stock. I'm reading bullish moment followed between the resistance and the long trend line, resulting in an ascending triangle Being new to the chart analysis, I'm open to constructive criticism. Claudio. So this is kind of him and his trajectory here of the chart on the line there going up. And that's what we want to see. So I personally am not good on reading the charts on 100%. I just kind of get into the news. And I get into the news and I try to look at the people that's running the company. And that is what I'm basing my information on LCA. And also the business model is a huge one, man. The business model is huge. And I believe in the online gambling. So here's another person says, LCA, this is the future of gambling. 40 points by quarter one. Well, $40 per share at quarter one. Now that would be amazing. These are all comments today, guys. Like he commented this today at 2:48 p.m. Now, I'm assuming this is possibly Eastern time because that's what I'm on, Eastern Standard Time. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I'll tell you right now, if the stock's going to go like to $40 and all I got to do is wait till next quarter of 2021, I'm fine with it. I mean, I'm not in any hurry. I had certain price points after the merger to try to take some gains and hopefully possibly buy back into the stock because I want to build my total dollar value up. So I'm hoping to kind of sell some profits off and then keep that cash and basically buy back in if the dip happens. If the dip doesn't happen, then I'm just going to have to find another stock to buy back in on. So it's kind of what I'm hoping to do. But we got some more here. Right here, LCA would be green or red tomorrow, just kind of wanting people's opinion. And nothing there. So here's someone sharing a video of someone that did an LCA video. Must own. Let's have a great week. Let's go. The man's wearing a golden nugget hat, so that could possibly be a good video if you ought to go in there and watch. Let's see here. So here's a detailed comment. I think we should read it and kind of get someone. Now he says he's bullish on LCA. He's very bullish on LCA, so that's good. Because you could put bullish or bearish, and my man is bullish on the stock, but he goes, LCA, if anyone thinks they're going to make all their money the day of the merger is in denial. This will take a minimum of 30 to 60 days after the merger to really get going. All the catalysts are saying 2021. The days of metric rise for the SPAC, the day of the merger is over. Do some due diligence on them and you'll see. This will be no different. People need a reality check. Well, I guess we're going to say time will tell. Wellness Venture Lab, man. Oh, my box was in the way, but there you can kind of see his comment. But so I don't know what people is expecting for the price of the stock to go. My minimum price for me that I think is going to hit to, I think it's going to hit at least $20 on a merger. So that's just me being safe. And if you watched my video yesterday I did, there was a author that did an article on Investor Place, and he predicted the stock's going to double. And that was just, he did that article, I think it was like 2 days ago, now possibly 3 days ago. So basically he's saying the stock is going to hit like $28 because he's predicting it's going to double. I hope he's right. I would take his price over mine. But I'm just going to be happy if the stock would hit 20 bucks. Maybe sell off a couple shares, take some profit, and maybe see if it would dip back down. I'm not selling all my stock, no way. Maybe sell like 20 or 30 shares, take some profit, let that set in my account, and basically go and see what happens from there. That's kind of what I want to do. So yeah, man, we can keep going down a few more here. Let's see. Someone talking about the election and all. So that's another point. It's a good point. Someone here did mention about the election. So, and I think a few people commented on videos about that too. Does the election, as you can see here, he has a little thing. Is the election going to have a factor with the stock market? I mean, I think the stock market, if it would, I think people would want to be selling off now. Because I know, like they're saying, like if Trump wins, the stock market's going to go up. But if Biden wins, the stock market's going to go down. So I don't know if you would want to gamble if you're doing large amounts of money if you think that's true. But I don't know if, number one, LCA is going to be truly affected by the election, because it's not in the any of like the Dow Jones or Nasdaq or anything like that. And I don't know. I mean, I don't think LCA is really a big enough company to really be affected like a lot of these other companies possibly could on the tax part of it. But I don't know. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. See, like I said, I don't think LCA would be affected by the election at all. Just my personal opinion, but you never know. People could sell out. But hey, if it does, hey, take my advice, as I say, man. Buy the dip. You got to buy the dip, man. If people sell off because of the election, get your cash ready and get ready to buy, because that is exactly what I'd want to do. So I'm definitely keeping my eye on it. If this thing goes down into $12 again, I will be buying like crazy. I'm gonna tell you right now. And I will do videos showing me buying it to prove to you guys I'm going to keep on buying until this thing goes up above 20. So, all right, guys, I think it's going to be it. I think in this video, like I said, pretty cool place here. Go check out stocktwits.com. You can type in LCA, read what all these people have to say. As you see, in August, they made $27.6 million, and in September, they made $26 million. So, I mean, that's crazy. What is that? Like $53 million in 2 months revenue. Like, wow, 53 million in 2 months, and it's just an online company. So that's the beauty of it. I mean, there is a building, but it's just a studio in the building. So that is the true beauty of everything. So, all right, guys, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up. Join the Thumbs Up Nations. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, buy the dip.